Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you the process of the complete cleaning the air conditioning machine which was used on the building about 4 years. So we will physically inspect the whole indoor unit and the outdoor unit. We'll check the coil, check the sign of the leaking. Maybe it's the leaking was the leakage on the coil. So we will do the whole inspection. After the inspection, we will start with the cleaning. So we will continue after we start right now to taking out the panel of the indoor unit. So we will start right now. So for the start, we need to use the tool, the screwdriver. So we will right now first take inspection of the unit indoor, and after that we will start with taking out the cover of the indoor unit. So we are start right now. So just we see here that the guys who take out from the wall, that they cut off the pipes. So usually what I do is screw out the Hollanders and take with the tape, so to avoid entering the water and the moisture inside in the coil. So as you can see here, that indoor unit is really dirt. So right now I will show you what is inside. So right now the filters. Right now, as you can see, that coil is pretty dirty. So you will see here the dust here in the coil. So all of that need to be removed. Have the heat transfer of the heat. The coil can take heat out of the building and transfer it to our outdoor unit. So we will start right now. In this process of the cleaning coil and the blower wheel inside in this coil, who is blowing the air through the coil to be able to cool the house, we will use the foam for the coil. That foil try to clean the dust, clean the oil, all kind of oil. So this kind of fluid you need to use to be able to clean safely, because some parts of this coil do not want to have some aggressive kind of cleaning detergent. So we will use what the whole the, let's say, the family of the producers of the air conditioning suggest to you. So this coil we will use to clean inside with high pressure battery charged nozzle. So this is already connected to the tank of the water. So the fluid which we already mentioned, it's already mixed with water inside in this tank. So we'll right now with nozzle spray the water and the fluid together to hold the coil and the blower wheel, and we will wait about 10 minutes to start the detergent to work his job to clean this coil and blower. After that we will use the spray machine with pressure about 10 bars to wash out the coil and the blower wheel. So we will right now start with spray. After we done spraying the foam coil for the cleaning, right now we will wait to start working the fluid to be able to take the dirt out with high pressure water cleaner. So in this time till we waiting to that time expired, we will start with inspection and checking the outdoor units and the coil. So we will right now take the outdoor units next to this and inspect and start with unscrewing the screws and try to spray this coil. So right now you can see how dirt is the coil. So all this dirt needs to be taken out to be able to indoor unit do its job, to be able to take out the heat from the refrigerant which heat absorb indoor unit. So right now we are starting. we are now finished with the cleaning, deep cleaning of the indoor and the outdoor unit. And right now, the unit is ready for installing, which we will do tomorrow. So this is the only way to let's say, the used air condition can be in good condition when you reinstalling on the apartment. So thank you for following us. We will continue do the business as we did today. So we will try to bring you our business closest to see what we are really do. Thank you and keep in touch. See you.